Hi there. Today our team at Verde Salon is going to be showing you 3 back-to-school styles for curly hair. To do this style, I'm going to be starting out with one of our birch scrunchies. I'm going to be pulling all of my hair back just to the crown of my head, almost like you're going to do a ponytail. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take it, wrap it one time around the ponytail. They're quite secure, so I don't find like I need to do more than one wrap. Then I'll take any loose hairs and just tuck those into the pony. Pull it apart just to make it a little more volume. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the hairspray, spray it down just to get rid of any frizz and flyaways. Yeah. Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy updo with one of our jaw clips. So I'm going to start out with one of our birch accessories clips. You're going to gather all your hair to the back of your head. I like to pull out a few pieces in front of my face, turn it around so you guys can see a little better. Just like a ponytail. So you're going to take one hand, grab the ponytail. With your other hand, you're going to be holding the end of the ponytail. And then you're going to twist it counterclockwise just with your finger, keeping it nice and tight with your head. Don't worry if it's feeling too tight. We're going to go in and loosen it up afterwards. Then you're going to grab your jaw clip and then just clip that right into the hair there. Make sure it's nice and secure. You can leave it like this if you like it looking a little bit tighter. But what I like to do is just take the hair, pull it apart a little bit. I kind of just go by feel. Pull it over my ears. I'll come back to the front. See how I like the hair that's in the front here as well. And pull down a few. And that's the style. And then we're going to finish off the style with a little bit of our air control hairspray. Just spray it down. Make sure everything's nice and secure. You can spray it over your bun as well. I also like to take a little bit in my hands and then just run it through the front little pieces, just no frizz or flyaways. To refresh your second day curls, I'm going to be using our rinseless refresh. So you want to go in, spray that all the way through your curls, dampen them down, and then just scrunch them up. And then for your ends, I'm going to use a little bit of our multi-use oil, just a couple pumps in your hands, and then scrunch those into the ends to help with frizz and flyaways. Subscribe for more tutorials and see all the products in the description box below.